And then we also bought the car with a massive dent. You could see that the damage had impacted on some of the metalwork underneath the bumper. Hi guys, welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. This is Martin's recently purchased Honda Civic Areodeck. Hopefully if you click on the card above you'll see the video where we revealed this, or where I revealed this shall I say. You would have seen from that video that we actually bought this car with some damage, so that was kind of why the car was also cheap as well. So we had a cracked headlight, which is still here at the moment, and then we also bought the car with a massive dent in the wing and loads of nice grey gaffer tape was just stuck on here. I don't know what it was holding in, it was just there and looking awful, really drew your attention to the damage. But repairs have actually already started off camera, because I reached out to a guy on Facebook Marketplace who had a Civic Saloon like the red one that I used to have. I'll leave the card above to that one, and he was breaking a saloon, and I was pretty sure a saloon wing would fit this Areodeck Estate Civic, and it did. So I reached out to a guy who was selling this car spares repairs. I said, have you got a front passenger wing? He said yes. I said, can I give you an extra bit of money, or can Martin give you an extra bit of money, and can you actually replace the two, take off our dented one, and can you replace on the OK one? And he said yes. So we went over to this chap's house. His family were there as well. Just so happens his dad is a mechanic. We were dealing with the son, but his dad was helping, which was great. And not only did they take off the dented wing and put on this non-dented wing, shall I say, which is such an improvement. It looks amazing now. We haven't got a dented wing on the front. But when they even took the cracked light out, and they could see that the damage had impacted on some of the metalwork underneath the bumper. So luckily the spares repair Civic was also silver. That's obviously why I inquired, and as you can see the dent is no more. So this wing is immaculate condition compared to the one that was on the car and had a massive rusty old dent in it. So what they did was they obviously, the chap took this off, put this new one on. They also took the light out because this was hanging down the bumper, as you might remember from that reveal video. And when they took the light out, some of the metal work sort of along here, which goes underneath the light, has actually been bent in. And the dad of the son, he was actually lifting up the sort of metal bit to hopefully get everything in alignment. And they were making sure the wing was nicely unaligned. So we were there at this family's house for about just over an hour. Bought the ring really cheap. We paid a little bit of extra money for it to be fitted. And what a job they did. They spent real time and effort getting it all nicely in line. They even took out the light, which we didn't ask to do. They even straightened out some of the bumper work. Like I said, they really went above and beyond. So as I said, all the wing work obviously happened off camera. I wasn't going to film in a family I've never met's house and their garden or driveway, shall I say. So now we've got to do, which you'll see in another video, is to sort out this cracked light, which is the only sort of obvious signs of damage on this area now. So that'll be another video where we attempt ourselves as non-mechanic people, me and Martin, to fix this headlight. But now the wing is done, it's definitely, and the gaffer tape's gone, it's definitely, it's not really obvious there's damage there until you see the headlight. So yeah, another video to come on us improving this cheap Areodeck that we recently have purchased. Thanks for watching this one. Just wanted to update you on the car, and then you'll see us doing bits ourselves this car in another video, and that's to come shortly. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one.